all know that Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, and our Earth has 360 longitudes. Time is measured on the basis of overhead sun. When the sun is overhead at a place, it is 12 noon. This time is called the local time. As the sun is overhead at different times at different places, each place on the earth has its own local time. So there was a need of common reference point from where the time would be kept. So this particular point was said to be the GMT, which is located or which passes through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. Now this meridian is called the prime meridian, which is the 0 degrees longitude. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. Earth is a sphere and rotates from west to east. Rotation roughly takes 24 hours. So in one particular rotation, any point on the earth is going to cover 360 degrees. So if we want to find out what is the distance covered in particular hour, then it is 15 degrees per hour. So it means a point on the globe will cover a distance of 15 degrees in each hour. We have divided the earth into 24 time zones. So each time zone is of 15 degrees. We have 12 time zones in the east and 12 time zones in the west. So let us see how time is calculated. Now, places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind it. The rate of difference can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means 15 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degrees east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4, which is equal to 60 minutes. That is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time. So how much it will be? Yes, 1 p.m. But at 15 degrees west of Greenwich, since the time is behind Greenwich time by 1 hour, it will be 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degrees, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. Hope this is clear. Now, India is spread in more than one time zone. So, we are talking about west and eastern part of India, which are farther away. Now here I am talking about the longitudinal extent. In India, there is a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of places in Gujarat and in places in Assam. So therefore, it is very necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degrees east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. Some countries which have great longitudinal extent have adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are as many as 11 standard times. Now students, how to find the location of a place? As you all know, we have two sets of lines, imaginary lines, which run on the Earth's surface, that is the latitude and the longitudes. Now this latitude and longitudes intersect at different points and this network is called a grid. You can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know its latitude and longitude. The point where these two lines cut or intersect each other, that point will be the location of that particular place. Now let us try to find the location of this points that are blinking on the screen. We'll name these points as A, B and C. Now let us see what is the location of point A. So students, in the picture you can see point A is located on 23.5 degrees north latitude and 30 degrees east longitude. Now students, always remember that when you write the location of any place, you have to mention the latitude first, followed by the longitude. Similarly, try to find the location of point B and point C.